Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Nexla, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our future tech adventures. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Mac Mini M4. This little powerhouse is redefining what we expect from compact desktops. From its cutting-edge M4 chip to its sleek new design, there's a lot to unpack here. So, sit back, relax, and let's get into it.
We call us light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed.
The Mac Mini M4 is a significant redesign from its predecessors. It's now smaller and more compact, measuring just 5 inches across and deep, while being 2 inches tall. The new design is sleek and modern, with a rounded square shape and an Apple logo on top. The aluminum body gives it a premium feel, and it's available in a variety of colors to match your setup. The standout feature of the Mac Mini M4 is its M4 chip, which includes a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU. This chip provides impressive performance, making it suitable for both everyday tasks and more demanding applications like video editing and 3D rendering. The base model comes with 16 GB of unified RAM, which can be upgraded to 64 GB for even more power. Apple has made some thoughtful changes to the connectivity options on the Mac Mini M4. While it retains the Thunderbolt 5 ports on the back, it also adds USB-C ports on the front for easier access. However, the power button has been moved to the bottom of the device, which can be a bit inconvenient one. The Mac Mini M4 supports up to 3 external displays, making it a great option for multi-monitor setups. It also includes Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast and reliable wireless connections. One of the most exciting aspects of the Mac Mini M4 is its gaming and emulation capabilities. With the powerful M4 chip, it can handle both native and non-native games, as well as emulate older systems like PlayStation 3, GameCube, and Wii. This makes it a versatile option for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. The Mac Mini M4 starts at $599 for the base model, which is quite competitive for its performance and features. The higher-end models with more RAM and storage are priced higher, but still offer great value for the power they provide. Overall, the Mac Mini M4 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a powerful, compact desktop computer. Its new design, impressive performance, and competitive price make it a standout choice in the mini PC market. Whether you're a casual user or a demanding professional, the Mac Mini M4 has something to offer. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Mac Mini M4. I hope you found this review helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Nexla YouTube channel for more exciting tech content. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried the Mac Mini M4? What are your experiences or questions? Let's get the conversation started. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and keep exploring the world of technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.